Installing the Facebook pixel on a WordPress site involves a few key steps to ensure you can track user interactions and optimize your ads. Here's a straightforward guide. Access Facebook Events Manager. Log into your Facebook account, navigate to Ads Manager and go to Events Manager. Create a pixel. Click on Pixels under Data Sources and then click Add to create a new pixel. Name your pixel and enter your website URL. Click Continue to generate the pixel ID. Choose a plugin. Install a Facebook Pixel plugin such as Facebook for WordPress or Pixel Caffeine from the WordPress plugin repository. Install and activate. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for the chosen plugin, install and activate it. Enter Pixel ID. Go to the plugin settings. Paste your Pixel ID into the relevant field. Save changes. Save the settings to ensure your pixel is integrated with your WordPress site. Use Pixel Helper. Install the Facebook Pixel Helper browser extension. Visit your website and check if the pixel is firing correctly by using the extension.